showing how to use VPN application here, like a pro. Stay tuned.
This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Here, this is pretty much a simple VPN application, so it should be easy for you to understand. So at the top here, pretty much the connection button. Down here we see smart to connect, best locations where you're top to go and select your servers. So here you only have 3 servers at the moment, but I do recommend you selecting the best location, or if you just want to select a specific server based upon you can always tap on this refresh icon at the top right here to refresh the server list for you. So that's pretty much it. So once you have selected your server, or if you're going to use the best server option, we'll start connection, we'll ask for connection request, let's tap on OK, and you're pretty much good to go. So very easy VPN application to use over here, nothing much. So very easy application to use. Servers are decent speed and fabulous anything at all, of which I shouldn't. So comment below if you have any problem and let me know, see if we can help you out. Anyways, see you guys in the next one.